If you want to see what I bring to New York Fashion Week, keep watching this video. Hi gorgeous, my name is Raven and welcome to my channel. On my channel, I do fashion lookbooks, fashion hauls, reviews, a little vitamin D deficiency, and travel. If you have not, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you're notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well join the everyday party by following me on IG and TikTok. So let's just get into it. I am going to New York Fashion Week, honey. This is not my first fashion week. This is not my first time at the rodeo, but I'm so excited to go for the first fashion week back in person, okay? I will be working one of the shows, so I will be taking you along on my journey as I visit New York and attend some of the shows at New York Fashion Week. So if you don't know, I lived in New York City for about 5 years. So this is a work and play trip for me. I'm going to be able to see some friends and also do a little bit of work and then attend Fashion Week. So with that, I need some outfits for some different occasions. 1, hanging out with friends. 2, work. And 3, some looks to serve, honey, at Fashion Week. Let's just get into what I'm packing. First up are my work outfits. So I adore this little like play suit from Zara. This is usually my go-to work outfit, so I'll be wearing this to one of the fittings. And with that, I'll be wearing my shoe dazzle sandals. And backstage, all black is a must. So I'll either be wearing this bodysuit or this corset with these loose fitting pants. I definitely want to be comfortable while I'm still working. And I'll also be wearing these shoe dazzle flats. So the weather is actually going to be in like the 80s and 90s while I'm there. So I have to make sure that I dress appropriately. So for my friend hangouts and for the days that I'm not working or attending Fashion Week, I have a few crop tops that I'm going to be packing. This Zara one shoulder moment. This Zara crop top. This top from Cider. And this other Zara crop top. Love this because it's a little backless moment. And I'm bringing these 2 pairs of jeans to go with these tops. I'll probably pick up a pair of shorts while I'm in New York. I prefer to roll all of my clothing. For lounging around the house and sleepwear, I'll be bringing these onesies by Zara. Okay, so next up for what I'm wearing to the shows, honey. So before I looked at the weather, I had a few other outfits picked out and it's gonna be way too hot for them. So we're going with these. And first up, I have this Cult Gaia top. Love, love, love this top. It's a nice tube top with the overpiece. I'm either going to wear these with this Christian Siriano pant, if it's not too hot, or this skirt from Mango. Next up, she's giving 70s realness, is this maxi dress from Zara. I adore this dress and really have not been able to wear it since I bought it earlier this summer. If you follow me on TikTok or IG, you have seen her, or anybody on Instagram for that matter. But she will be making her New York Fashion Week debut, honey. If I don't wear her to New York Fashion Week, I will wear the top with some jeans for a hangout with my friends. New York Fashion Week loves a good suit moment, honey. So I had to pack this suit from Zara. I'm going to wear it with either this bikini top that I have. It's a little much. Or the white crop top from earlier. For these looks, I'm going to pair them with these clear wedges from Shoe Deal. And these mules from Shoe Deal as well. When packing my shoes, I always pack them in a shoe bag. These I got from IKEA. I love them. I can usually fit about 2 pairs of flats in here or 1 pair of sneakers or heels. For purses, I'll be bringing this black fold-over clutch from Topshop, my white net bag from TJ Maxx, and as my main bag, I'll be bringing my Coach. Since I'll be working, I can't forget my kit. These press-on nails from my Amazon haul. My newest obsession, my Urban Decay all-nighter. As far as gadgets are concerned, I'll be taking this portable charger by Ubio Labs. Cannot forget my AirPods Pro. My handheld tripod for when I'm vlogging, my phone camera remote, and also be taking my phone, of course, and my iPad. So I am all packed. I have my toiletries and my makeup here. My gadgets are in here. Here's my kit, my shoes, honey. And then I have my undies, socks, and a bra. I love to use these shoe pockets for bras. Like, they fit so well in them. And then all of my clothes and my bags. So I have my other black bag under there and all of my New York Fashion Week outfits and all of my daytime outfits and a few pads for my shoes. Because for New York Fashion Week, honey, you will be walking all day. So you definitely need a pair of these. And I almost forgot, you can't forget the mask. So thanks for watching, gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed the outfits that I'll be wearing in New York, and stay tuned for the New York Fashion Week vlog. And until next time, watch this video that was picked specifically for you.